Hey folks, Lex here with the Arbor Landing maintenance staff, and today I'm going to show you how to hook up your water supply lines to your washing machine. First thing you want to do is make sure you have your gaskets in the hose there, the little black round gasket, and you can hook them up to either side. C stands for cold, H stands for hot, and just turn them to the right, get them nice and snug. You don't have to do it too tight. Just get it nice and snug, and if there's any resistance, you're probably cross-threading it, and just back it out and try again until there's no resistance while you're screwing it in. Alright, the forward position means your water is off, and push it back means your water is on. Usually they're labeled blue and red, cold and hot, but as you see these aren't, so it's going to be cold right side, hot left side. It's just like your kitchen faucet. The right handle is cold and the left handle is hot. So you're going to take the hose that's on C and put it on the right valve. That's your cold side. Then take the H hose, the hot side, put it on the left. And righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. You can also remove the white cover piece. It just snaps on and off, and it'll give you a little room for to get your pliers in there. And you just snug them up. You don't have to go too crazy, just nice and snug. And again, if there's any resistance, you're probably cross-threading it, and just back it off and start over again until it goes nice and easy on. There we go, feels nice and snug. I like to finger tighten it and then come in with the pliers just to snug it up. Alright, then snap the cover back on. And you get your drain hose. It goes down in there. Then you turn your water on. Make sure you have no leaks or drips or anything. And if you do have a leak or a drip, don't panic. Just turn the water back off and make sure your fittings are nice and snug with the gasket. So make sure the water's on, no drips. And so forward is off, and then you push back towards the wall to turn the water on. Hot side, cold side, just like your kitchen faucet. Plug it in and give it a test. No drips. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching.